So welcome everyone. My name is Sagni. Today we are going to discuss about different types of seed treatment and how it will affect germination. So to understand this issue better, we have one Orithro. So before going to the main topic, Orithro, can you introduce yourself?
First of all, it's a pleasure for me to be here. My name is Orithro Bhattacharya. Currently, I am pursuing BSc Honours Agriculture from LP.
So great. So now I am going to the main topic. So Orithro, can you explain like what is seed treatment and how it will affect the germination?
Before going to the seed treatment, we need to know about the seed dormancy.
Okay, so can you explain about seed dormancy?
Seed dormancy is a condition where the seeds are not able to germinate, although the environmental conditions like air, water, and temperature are good for the germination of seed.
Okay, is there any type of seed dormancy like different?
Yes, there are three types of seed dormancy: exogenous seed dormancy, endogenous seed dormancy, and combined seed dormancy.
Okay, so can you explain little bit about these types of dormancy?
Yes. In case of exogenous seed dormancy, the outside environmental condition like air, water, temperature are not comfortable to seed germinate. In case of endogenous seed dormancy, the internal chemical composition of seeds are not good for seed germination. In case of the combined seed dormancy, the internal and external both factors are not comfortable for the seed germination.
So now we understand what is seed dormancy and what are the types of seed dormancy. So now Arithro, can you tell about different types of seed treatment?
So there are different types of seed treatment. In this, the seed scarification method is the most important one.
Okay. So it sounds like one technical term, that is seed scarification. So can you explain like what is seed scarification?
Seed scarification is a method where we break the hard seed coat to allowing the oxygen and water penetrate inside the seed and initiate the seed germination.
So is there any type of seed scarification?
Yes, there are different types of seed scarification such as mechanical seed scarification method, acid seed scarification, hot water seed scarification, and warm moist seed scarification methods.
Okay. So we are going to different types of seed scarification one by one. So Arithro, you told one type of scarification like mechanical scarification. So can you explain little bit about the mechanical scarification?
Mechanical scarification is the most simplest and the most effective method of scarification, where we rub the seed by the use of sandpaper or cracking the seed by the use of hammer to break the dormancy. In case of large amount of seed, we use a drum-like structure which is filled of the gravel, sand or concrete, so that they rub the seed by the ingredient and break the dormancy. And the mechanical scarification should not be proceed in such extent where the seed are getting injured.
So now I would like to ask Arithro one different type of scarification. Like you told, there is one type of scarification which is acid scarification. So can you tell about little bit about this acid scarification?
So in acid scarification, we place the seed in a container and fill the container with the concentrated sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid in a ratio of 1 part of seeds and 2 parts of acid. The seed we have been take for treatment should not be exceed more than 10 lakh in any condition to avoid the unconditional heat. And the container we have been taken for the seed treatment should be wooden or earthenware or glasses. It should not be metal container. And in the time of seed treatment, we stir the solution continuously. And the time period for the treatment it varies from 10 minutes to 6 hours based on the different species of seed. And after the seed treatment have done, we need to wash the seed properly to remove all the acid. And after the seed treatment, we immediately sow the seed on the field. This is.
So we heard different types of scarification like acid scarification, like mechanical scarification. Now I think we left with two more scarification types, and among those two types. One is hot water scarification. So, also can you tell about hot water scarification?
In water scarification, we drop the seed in the hot water, which is 4 to 5 times more volume than the seed. The heat source immediately separate from the boiled water, and the boiled water temperature should be ranging between the 77 to 100 degrees Celsius, and the treatment should continue from 12 hours to 24 hours, and after the treatment is over, we show the seed immediately.
Okay, so now Orithro, I think we left with only one type of scarification, which is worm moist scarification. So Orithro, can you explain what is worm moist scarification?
In case of warm moist scarification, we place the seed in a warm moist condition so that the seed coat is getting softening, and it is beneficial for this kind of seed which have the separate kind of dormancy, like the dual dormancy. And in case of the seed, in case of this kind of seed, we show the seed in the summer season. Soil temperature is hot, so it has to break down the dormancy of seed.
So also now can you tell me some other types of seed treatment method?
So besides the scarification, there is stratification. Stratification basically it is a technique where the stimulate the natural condition to trigger the seed germination.
So also now can you tell me some types of scarification? What are the types?
So there are different types of seed stratification, but the most important are the outdoor seed stratification, the refrigerated seed stratification, chemical stratification, and hormonal stratification. In case of outdoor seed stratification, if the refrigerated facility is not available, then we store the seed in the open field condition. In case of refrigerated seed stratification, it is just opposite the outdoor seed stratification, and the temperature should maintain 4 to 7 degrees Celsius. In case of hormonal seed stratification, we use gibberellic acid to stimulate the seed germination. And in case of chemical seed stratification method, we use the thiourea to stimulate the seed germination.
So today we heard different types of seed treatment method. Firstly, we heard about the seed dormancy and what is seed dormancy and the types of seed dormancy and why we need to know the seed dormancy prior to the seed treatment methods. Then we heard different types of seed treatment method. Firstly, we heard the scarification. What is scarification? What are the types of scarification? Then we heard the stratification, the types of stratification, and why these things are needed to break the seed coat and to improve the seed germination. So we think this session will help our listeners to manage their seeds more effectively and get the more desirable yield and more profit. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.
Thank you.